Hi guys, and welcome to PJ's Coin Capers. It's PJ. So this week I managed to go through around $2,000 worth of coins. Probably about 25% of that was $2 coins. And so what I like to do, this is actually the second episode, and look what I found. What I thought I'd do is try and show you what I found and why I am keeping them. So we'll just go through them and try and see what we have here. I have a couple of error coins, a few low mintage coins, a few just nice coins just because they look nice, and yeah, a few different things like that. So over here I found four coloured $2 coins this week. Three of them are the possum kind. There we go. Hopefully, yep. And one of the Commonwealth Games ones, so fairly common, but yeah, not a bad little hit rate there. What do you got here? We've got a 2015 Anzac. This one here is a low mintage, the lowest of the five coins that came out with the 100 years of Anzac, so from 2014 to 2018. So this is the lowest one, which was around the 1.5 million, and then I did find a few of the 2017 version, which is the 1.9 million. I think I just mentioned that the other day in one of my videos where I tried to go through the mintages from 2017. So have a look at that video if you haven't seen it, and you can see which ones are worth collecting. So I did find a few more of those, but not in great nick, so I didn't keep them all. What else we got here? Another low mintage one from 2016, the 5 cent. I found three of those this time. So, yep, this is the lowest minted 5 cent coin ever made. So, as far as that went into circulation anyway, so keep each and every one of those. 2017, which is a reasonably low, which is a third lowest minted 5 cent coin. I kept one. I did find others, but I've got literally hundreds of them. So one coin that was in amongst 5 cent roll, which is a Singapore coin. If I send it back to the bank, it'll keep spitting it out because I chuck it in with the coins, the counting machine, and it doesn't like these coins and spits them back out again, so I just keep them, and maybe I'll spend it when I'm in Singapore. What else do we find? We got fairly lucky with some state coins, so you keep each and every one of these. So I managed to get a Norfolk Island 20 cent, and I got a Victorian 50 cent, a New South Wales 50 cent, and a Queensland 50 cent. So keep each and every one of those that you find as well. Certainly worth more than face value. So what else we got? I kept a couple of these. Didn't find too many of them, but they're in good condition, so I kept them. What else we got here? 2014 low mintage Mob of Ruse. I did find one other, but wasn't in as good a grade as this, so I didn't keep it. Maybe someone else can find that one. What else we got here? We got a Rabbit Ear, 2015 Rabbit Ear. So hope you can see that in the top kangaroo there. If I can zoom in a bit. There we go, Rabbit Ear. Now, what else? Oh yes, I love these ones. 50 cent. 1991, 25th anniversary of decimal currency, so nice ram's head there, cool one to find. I love that one. Also found two 2011 10 cent pieces in the same roll, which was nice. Probably went through about 10 rolls, and found these two in the very last roll, so 1.8 million of those, so $4 or $5 each for that. I did find a 97, which was in fairly good condition, which is also one of the lower minted ones. Can't quite remember the figures, but still worth holding on to. This one here, it's a 2004. Now what was strange about this is that it had no reading around the whole rim of it. I'm not sure if it's an error or not. So I've kept it, and I'll look at it, and I'll maybe, just, it is slightly off center. You can see like a double rim there, but I'm not certain whether it is an error coin or not. So I've kept it, and I can always put it back in. It doesn't cost anything to hold. So yeah, that's why I've kept that one for now, because you can always decide later on. 50 cent 1979 double bar. I have done a video on these. Have a look at it. You can see there the double bar behind the emu's head there. Two little lines. Check out my video on that one if you haven't seen that. And we'll go back out again. Yep. Alright, now what else we got here? I kept a nice looking 1982 20 cent. Probably no real value, but it was just a nice one, so I kept it, which you don't really find things like this. So I just keep anything that's sort of nice, that hasn't had much circulation. Also this 1970 Captain Cook, I think it is. Yes, it is. This one was in nice condition as well. I'm not sure what these guys are worth these days, whether they're worth any more than 50 cents, but it was in good condition, so I kept that one as well. What else have I got here? Oh, we're getting to the end. Yes, this is the one I really want to show you. So this is the year 2000 $2 coin, as you can see there, but it has a rim cud. So there's a rim cud there, and it's slightly off center as well. It's quite a nice rim cud, and being a lower minted coin, the U2000, having a rim cud on it does make it a little bit more special, and certainly worth more than $2. So yeah, anyway guys, that's what I found this week, and I'll continue to try and show you more examples of what I've kept and why I've kept them, and who knows what we'll come across. So I hope you've enjoyed watching today, and please, if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do, and I look forward to bringing another video soon. Thanks for watching.